Hey everybody, today we're going to do another fun monster. All right, so to start, we're going to start with her head. So it looks like it's kind of like an oval, circle oval. I'm happy with that. Can you guys see it? All right, now we're going to put in the eyeballs. So we're going to start with the first big one. Then we're going to do second one, third one, and we're gonna give it eyebrows. 1, 2, 3 eyebrows. And here's the eyes. She looks like she's telling a story. This monster, she's got personality plus. And she looks like she is a talkative one and she is telling you about everything. We're gonna give her a name. Her name is going to be Penelope. Sneakity Penelope. Okay, we're gonna come out. This is gonna be one. See how it's gonna bring in? That's how she stances. And this one's gonna come in a little bit. Okay, come back down to there. Now, you put the bottom of the feet. They're gonna be kind of flat. Come up. Let me give it a shadow. All right, we're ready to Sharpie. We're moving along. Okay, woo! Sharpie time. Okay, joke of the day. What is a zombie's favorite street? A dead end. Okay. Extra bonus joke. Why did the mom, let's see, what is it? Why did the monster mom knit him 3 socks? Because she heard he grew another foot. Go get it. Foot in height and then an actual foot. So he needed 3 socks. don't have any tidbit advice on like fun facts on animals because it's monsters. But I'm going to tell you a little story. When I was a kid, I was deathly afraid and believed in monsters. And I would tuck myself into the point, if any part of my body was hanging over, the monsters would suck me under. And I'd be so scared. So I couldn't make sure there's anything hanging out. And at night, I would stand on my bed in the middle of the night because I'd wake up, of course, nightmare. And I'd take a running leap, and I had to make it as far to get out of the room. So my goal was to jump so far that I would be out of the room. So I really had to do a good leap there. And every night I would run. So first I would running leap out the door. I would run down the hall to my parents' bedroom, and I would run in and wake up my mom every night. And then she'd come back in and she'd comfort me, and I'd hold on to her hand thinking she'd stay there all night, and I'd wake up in the morning and she'd be gone. Well, I did this, I guess, one too many times because my dad said, "Do not wake up your mom." Well, that didn't stop me. So what I did is I still did my running leap, but when I got to the room, I got down on hands and knees and I would crawl into the room, and I would lightly tap my mom on the shoulder, and she would quietly come out of bed. So we did this for quite a while until I finally started sleeping with the light on, and I didn't have to bug her anymore. So, because we all know the light's on, monsters can't get you. So I was safe. Also, I've got a funny about my daughter, my youngest. She saw, I don't know how she saw it. She must have been really little because she was still in a crib. But I think it was like a Disney show, but it had like a hand that came out of a wall. The kids were watching some Halloween thing, the older ones. And she was so petrified a hand was gonna come through the crib that she would make me spray down with invisible monster spray her crib so a hand would not come through. So I did that for quite some time, but it kept the monster hand away. And I'll be able to tell that to her future husband and kids, and it'll be a good story to have. She probably doesn't remember it. Well, I'm sure you guys all have some great stories. I wish that you were here. I can hear about it. If I was in class, I'm sure all my students would have something to say because they're all quite talkative. Not in a bad way. I love it. I love all my students. But the reason why I started this YouTube video was because the coronavirus. So right now we're all quarantined. We can't get out of the house. And one of the moms was like, "Can you Zoom class?" And I said, well, I'm gonna go one step better because it'd be easier just to put it out there, and then whoever wants to watch it can. All right, now we are going to thicken our line around the outside. Wow, that was really thick. But the first video I did, my first monster, I'm doing everything off my phone. And actually, I am still learning because this is the second time I've done it because I got close to the end, but got finished sharpening it and my phone turned off. So, part 2, doing it again. Anyhow, the first one I did, I got this app that gave me awesome ability to put music on and sound effects, and after I do a joke, I'd have a laugh going on. It was awesome. I uploaded it, but there wasn't enough memory on my phone to do it. So I had to do it over. So I said, you know what? We're just gonna scrap that right now, and I'm just gonna get it online. So right now, I just have the regular Pandora radio going on. So you might hear an ad every once in a while. But then I don't have to worry about my file being too big. Okay. Coming along. Hope yours is coming along. Hope you're enjoying this. And you can make your monster any color you want. I just thought these colors look great together. And our little monster, Penelope, this just looks like the color she'd have. Okay, going across the top. Guess I'm getting a little sloppy. I shouldn't be, but since I've already done this once, my hand just wants to do it because I've already done it once, twice. Here's my other one. See? Dun, 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 dun. Now I'm doing it a third time. It's okay. Penelope and I are bonding. Okay, look at that. Time to erase. Happy day, happy day. Erase all those boobies. There we go. I love erasers. I heard some students say that some of their teachers wouldn't let them have erasers. That's a bunch of hogwash. I love erasers. Look at that. Cleans everything up. All right. We're going to start with our colors. I'm going to start with the green. It's still recording. That's good. Okay. Remember, you're going to go dark at the top, and as you come down, it's going to get lighter. Dark at the top, lighter. Do the same thing here. Dark at the top, lighter as you come down. Dark, lighter. Makes a cool effect. I love doing this on eyeballs. Dark and light. All right, anything else green? Oh, the arms are green. We're using a different color green, but that's okay. So it's dark, and it's gonna go light. And I'm gonna outline this so it's a little trim of dark around the outside. All right, do the other side. Push down hard and then come out lightly. Try to go in one direction with your pencils. Makes it look like a more coherent, clean look. Okay, let's go around the edge. Edge. All right. Oh, legs. So clearly you can see this is a mintier green. I'm going dark to lighter, but you get the same idea. And you might be using a different color anyways. Okay, dark to light. One direction. Okay, those are all the greens. Let us move on to, whoa, purple. Okay, eyebrows, purple. Eyebrow. Okay, so let's see. Now on here, we're gonna go dark on the sides, and as you go towards the center, lighter, lighter. Dark on the sides, as you go to the center, light. Okay, same thing up here, dark to light, dark to light. Great job. Great job, guys. Whoa! I could have a laugh line in there. Ha 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 ha. Okay. This side, dark, push down hard, and as you go to the center, lighten it up. Dark, as you go to the center, lighten it up. Dark, and as you go to the center, lighten, dark. Okay, what else is purple? Ah, the purple tongue, fabulous. Okay, a little dark. One of my daughters is actually singing in the other room, so she doesn't know that I'm videoing. Okay. Darker on the side, go light towards the center. Okay, great job. Let's get black. Black's gonna go inside the mouth. What do you think Penelope would eat? I think she has a sweet tooth. Lots of candy. Ice cream, candy. She likes it all. Okay, along the edge, go a little darker. Just takes your illustration to the next level. Okay, all right, I want you to go around the eyeballs. All right, around the eyeballs. Okay, what else? Oh, let's go around the teeth. This makes it look like there's a shadow under there, so it looks like it's inside the mouth. Okay, we are now heading for the, you know what, we're gonna give it a yellow tooth. She's been eating too many sweets. All right, red. All right, try to go color one direction. Let's see if I'm still videoing. Still videoing. Don't want to turn it off a second time. One of the problems is there's too much on my phone. I have 4,000 messages in my email box that I have to delete. Most of it is junk mail. So my goal is I'm going to delete 300 emails a night to clean out my phone, because clearly it did not like having that much. It drives my husband crazy when he sees how many emails I have not deleted or gone through or even opened, just because usually it's junk mail. You're like, why don't you just unsubscribe? Well, I might need that stuff. I don't know. Okay, it's coming along. Okay, we're getting close. Okay, I want you to for sure go under the chin so it looks like it's detached. Okay, go around the outside. You guys are doing great. Okay. Okay, yellow. Whew. Okay, go darker around the edge, and as you go dark, then you're gonna like bring it out light. Dark, bring it out light. Dark along the edge, bring it out. Fade, dark, fade. Dark, fade it out. All right, woohoo! Almost done. A little bit on the top here. I know I can get a little bit more fancy, but you guys can give it more detail or make it your own and make it look extra good. But anyways, that'll be the monster for today. Yay!